My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
If a young boy can't do what Ageable at right now, climb tree. Come on. Careful up there, Ageable. Drop him, man. Drop in the sun. Careful up there, man.
I'm going to give you a lesson today. And the world, all subscriber, man and woman, girl and boy, Ageable sis up. Everybody shoot. Why everybody no fear? You work out, you know. Work out good if you fear. There was a place in Jamaica, you call and name the two. One place they call Ageable. You tell you you find Ageable. You can go Blackwoods. You can go Penance. You can go Frankfield. You can go Thompson Town. Ageable 101. Top this up. One place called Orange Hill. There was one about 79 to 80. One of them here there. To be exact, one of them here there. This woman living in England. And she decided to come back to Jamaica, come live. So she started building her house.
She started building before she come?
She didn't build the house, man.
Yeah.
And so now and then she come home, come observe stuff and go back in the house and build. Which part she build the house by the whole people in land. So the whole grand uncle did it, you know? That's what him live, the whole yard. So her uncle take care of everything for her nice, they live nice. So the house a build, construction a go on until when the house soon done, the woman come back again. Because she go and come, you know. She have a daughter. I saw me never really know them. But me saw them tall, the daughter tall like her and big. Daughter young but she big. So the woman come home, he was soon finish. The pit never finish yet. And the house never finally complete. But they have living place, living, you know, can live fishing. You go and tell the they can't live in night. You understand? They can't sleep. But the house never finish yet, I can't tell me here.
But then they have party night where they can ready where they can
live.
live.
Man, the room they ready for live, man, because at night she come over at night she sleep. So she come home one evening, one night time now. And they there. So 3 boy, this is for go rob her. And the story this. One place called Ageable in Clarendon. And the 3 boys go there. And the 3 of them, they carry one gun. We're gonna have 1 bullet tonight. So when the 3 of them go there now, they organize. So 2 go stay outside and 1 will go inside. You feel me? So the 1 will go inside. I don't know how you approach the human room and the human never wake. Him go find himself in there. Whether I mean broke down his window, I don't know. But he find himself in the human bedroom and wake up the woman. And the woman wake up under the gun mouth. So him say, the money we come find now. Want some money. And she have a wardrobe in her room and her suitcase up on the top. Him say want some money. The woman say the money in the suitcase by the wardrobe top.
She point up, they show him.
Yeah, he would in the suitcase by the wardrobe top. And the money in the future. Because gun will make you say anything, you know. So, what if you do now? No make the woman take the suitcase give him. Nah. You want the money so much now. You must go take the suitcase.
He get excited, man.
And excited. You get fuck up. That's what you say. Make the woman take the suitcase give you, nigga. Church up, go and take up suitcase. You man just walk up back and walk that and grab him, missus, back way, you know. You know that style, yeah? When you're on corner, so I'm going next up.
No, if a person hold you like that, you can't get away.
A member no one like a weakling blood clot black girl need that, you know.
Tall and strong.
And heavy. And holding him blood down. And buy one shot, get up nice. You man hold him. You man testify to the police and say, yo, the moment realize me not getting a shot. I mean, you know, more gunshot are going.
And that the time she get strong.
I was so, she was so scared that she couldn't let him go. And the girl we can call, Papi, help. So when the old man run up and see what God, I say, hold him. I run back now and cut off your rope. He say, boy, cut off your rope and tie around his neck. You know, it's a fast tie now, tie good, you know. Tie up on his neck. And he dry you and he catches in the rasta and tie around, you know. No tie good, so man say, hold him still, no let him go. Man go to the room and grab Satiki, says, and come back and push in the rope. After I rinsed a bomb. Usually said, everybody hold the rope get tight.
Like a wrench cane for a donkey.
Rinch, he must say, yo, come to the station, but don't kill me. Rinch him, and that the family like, yeah, I see the almost pulp. When he record and start, the two out the door. And them work on the building too, you know.
A same boy them work at place.
Them work on the building too. Why never know say pit is there? The dirt, I originally tell you about, you know. Here them tell you don't talk no shit. When I go so I real life me I tell you. Hey, the pit dirt, when they throw you out, it almost cover one of the fence line posts. The dirt almost cover the post of one piece there so there. Whole post, so a black good post, you know, so that's sharp. One of them slide in the loose dirt in the rasta and dig out in belly.
Power, a good post.
Shit, the man keep on ask whatever long. You hear me tell about it, sir. He like good pose the red, he lose dirt, cover it up, you know.
So you know not see it.
Then they work, they hold the just when your last time come, you get fucked, you know. When the time come, you have to get fucked. You blind about the right thing we shouldn't see because you.
Yes. Yeah.
Every day carry bucket to the well. One day the bucket bottom of it drop out. Everything fuck up. Top theft. And that you feel do. Why them never know that? And them dig a pit. What you running in that pit for? One of them drop down in the pit. One of them belly dig out on the post. So when they carry, when they rinse him, I call up in the neighborhood and they come up. And everything said and done. Carry him out. When they light, people still full up in the yard. So people are looking around the yard. But I might say, Brass wall, look here. The light so they could have seen one drop in the pit. He drop in the pit. He two legs run up under here, so you know.
Damn.
Cause he drop down there and not jumping, you know. He just go down there.
Same body weight go down pan and the bone run up.
The whole and hip bone run out. And run up in here, so.
Why, I tell you.
The one when they ring up there, when they rinse up there, him say three of them come there from the night. But when they see that one in the morning, they say with the other one, then nobody couldn't find him. They think he's run away. And we are one place called Heligin. Remember, say Ageable tell you that Go to Jamaica and check it out and you will hear where I go on. A Helligin one man the one day in a coffee work about a week or two after. I pick chocolate. And you flap in the chocolate work, drunk crow. When man go down there, man say, I wonder what they do. When you go down there. Now one man swell like pampas and full of magich. And drunk out and yam him. 3 of them dead. When people get, oh, 3 of them one time.
Look how them give them life like that, man. Them go for go rob a woman. Them work at the same place and the 3 of them lose their life.
Keep on
and I not shoot them, shoot
you
them.
know,
man.
hear me just say, every day carry bucket to the well. One day the bucket bottom are going to drop out. You keep on a thief all the while, you will stop. Keep on a gamble all the while and a lose. And see if one day you no win. Keep on a win. And see if one day you no lose. Anything you do have a hand, good or bad.
Have a limit, man.
Even your life. One day life I go cease, you know, Rasta.
Same, so man.
Only death no cease, you know. Once you find yourself in death, it's 2 million years from now. After you're dead, you know. 25 million years ago. That the generation we are here about that they name no know nothing about him. Maybe this one picture fine. Only death no cease. But everything else cease. Stop. Stop. Time and death no cease. But everything else, good or bad, have a hand. He will tell you that. Look into it for yourself. Everything have a hand.
Why then dash with their life, man?
They not dash you where every day bucket a go well one day you bottom go blow.
Them bucket bottom drop out.
Stop the man. But if I see you man for dead, I see you for us dead.